In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zotero Reference Manager in Microsoft Word. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add properly formatted citations into your document with just a few clicks. Start by opening Microsoft Word. Have the document ready where you want to insert your first citation. If everything is set up, you'll see a Zotero tab along the top ribbon. Go ahead and click the Zotero tab to reveal the Zotero tools. This is your command center inside Word, and it's where you'll handle citations for the entire document. Next, click Add or Edit Citation. This is the button you'll use every time you want to place an in-text citation. The first time you use it in a document, Zotero will ask you to choose a citation style. This matters because it controls how your citations look, from punctuation to ordering and use of initials. Pick the style required by your class, journal, or organization. Common choices include APA, MLA, and Chicago. If you're unsure, check your guidelines before proceeding, because changing styles later will reformat everything. Once you've selected the correct style, choose OK to confirm. After you confirm the style, the citation dialog opens. Here's where you can search. Simply start typing an author's name, a title keyword, or a year. Zotero will suggest items from your library that match what you type. Select the correct reference from the list to add it. If you need to cite multiple sources at once, just keep searching and selecting before you confirm. Take your time to ensure you're choosing the exact item you intend. Matching author, title, and year prevents mistakes later. If you prefer browsing instead of searching, you can switch to viewing your Zotero library from this dialog. Navigate through your collections to locate the item you want to cite. This is especially useful when you know exactly where you filed the reference in Zotero or when similar titles make search results easy to mix up. Once you've highlighted the correct item, click Accept to insert the citation into your document. That's it. Your in-text citation appears in the format defined by the style you chose, and it will stay linked to your Zotero library. A couple of final tips as you work. Confirm the style once at the start to avoid reformatting later. And use precise search terms, like the first author's last name plus a keyword, to find the right source quickly. With these steps, you'll be able to add accurate, consistent citations in Word using Zotero whenever you need them.